Today we're going to be trying the Natural Valley Crunchy Granola Maple Syrup. Let's give it a try. This feels like it would go well with milk. Comes with 2 bars, which is pretty cool. Here's a closer look at the bar if you want. It's made up of oats, sugar, maple syrup, and granola. Which I'm pretty sure is a type of oat.
Right, stop.
We're really happy to give this to you. Angel, what are you gonna do with this newly rejuvenated room?
I think I'm gonna make it my room now. I'm kind of liking this bed, right? I am actually very ecstatic over the last 4 days. It was overwhelming for me, a little difficult at times, but I just continue to push through, and I'm very excited.
Really good, but would go well with milk.
Angel continues to push forward.
8.5 out of 10. See you later.